Okay guys, Crew-7 launch. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at that streak next to it. Plane streak. That's far. It's so high right now. Oh my gosh. Jeez, that's really high. Come on. Come on. Please don't. Okay, it's coming down. Okay, it's good. Yes. Good. Okay, let's go get it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at that streak next to it. Plane streak. That's fun. So, okay guys, so after this launch, we were leaving to go back home, and there was this guy that he came up to us in the golf cart, and he was like, "You guys can't be launching model rockets here," where it was actually completely illegal to launch rockets where we were launching them. He said if we launch rockets again, that he'll call the police, and we're like, I don't care. You can call the police next time we do it, and they won't even care. But and he also said like the rocket went right over his head. He was nowhere near it when we launched it. It didn't even go near where all the houses were. It went all the way to the other side where there was no houses, and he was like, it went right over my head, and it landed nowhere near him. So that's weird. But don't worry guys, we will keep launching there from launch day 6A. So yeah.